I got a new play tent that I'm going to open. Really looking forward to this, or actually somebody else is looking forward to this. This is by WooHoo Toys, and we have an army or military tent that we have inside, and this is indoor-outdoor, but we thought we'd use it outside. It's a little bit larger, and so we can have something inside and outside for fun. Okay, it has an outer plastic wrap, and that does have a warning that this could spring open, so you should not assemble this with children at hand. It has a convenient carrying case, mesh bag, comes with stakes. Let me get this thing together. And yeah, you can stay over there, Caius. Let's see, what's the front and what's the back? Oh, this is actually pretty easy. Wait. Okay. Oh, I have it upside down. That's what it is. And move it over here.
I have it inside. Surprise! Surprise!
There is an inflatable steering wheel here. Okay, I have a helper to help me with the steering wheel. I'm in. Woo! Oh look, there's a.
Here's the thing so we can go on.
There's an opening here. Hi. See that? And there's one there.
Yep.
Hey guys,
And one there.
hey, what's going on? What's this?
Oh, there's your auntie.
Hi. What did you just get? This is exciting.
I know you're Caius.
What is this?
Surprise!
This is, it's called a Supersonic play tent.
Wow.
Yeah,
How long is it?
it's 9.5 feet long. It's huge in here.
I know, it's humongous. You got the front of the train, you got the middle, and the back is lots of fun.
Yeah, I got a steering wheel here I'm putting on.
Oh, well, that's fun.
Conduct the train.
Excuse me.
Choo-choo! Oh no! Look! The train! It's getting ready to take off! You better get on board before it's gone! Choo-choo!
There you go.
All aboard! Choo-choo-choo-choo-choo-choo-choo-choo-choo-choo-choo. Okay, it's recording. Let me get the other one then.
That's the news. Get on board. Choo-choo. Choo-choo-choo-choo. Get on board.
Woo!
Get on board, passengers.
Yes, another passenger is coming
Are
up!
dogs allowed?
Yes!
Dogs allowed?
No, only kids is allowed.
Well, the dogs got a
Listen,
ticket!
baby. Come on, dog.
All aboard!
Now we all have
All aboard! Woo, woo! Get ready, and we're off! Chunk, chugga, chunk, chugga, chunk, chugga, chunk. Chunk, chugga, chunk, chugga.
Come on, get off.
There we go. Okay.
I'm gonna take off.
Trains get ready to take off. Woo, woo! Choo, 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 choo. Woo!
Yes!
Why don't we have a party now? We'll invite some people over, and you can have sleeping bags and eat chips inside and candy. It's a party bus. It's a party train. Woo! Woo! Yay!
But where is the candy?
Yeah, this thing is just as good as something you have at the amusement park.
Yeah, well,
Hey,
what's
look.
nice about it too is that it's easy to fold and move.
Yeah.
It just fits right into a carry case,
I'll board the train.
so it can be moved
It's a party.
from place to place.
Choo-choo. Yeah, that actually would make a really cool thing. You could put balls in there. You could have some different games for it for the kids to play with.
Yeah.
Oh
You
yeah!
could put balls in here.
Yeah, we're going to have this at your birthday party.
Uh-huh.
They're in the bounce house things.
Yes, it's a train!
Yay! I know, it's so much fun.
And you can turn the steering wheel to all around.
Yeah.
This is so cool.
Okay, there's a look at the front of the train. So this is the WooHoo Supersonic train tent. Thanks for watching.